We had already finished our sketching and modeling modules in Catia. Now we will learn about assembly in Catia. First go to Start, Mechanical Design, and here you can see Assembly Design option. Select Assembly Design. So this is the workbench of assembly design. Here you will find different toolbars like sketching and modeling. These toolbars are used for different assembly operations. The first toolbar is Product Structure Tools. You can see that it contains several subtools, which we will learn in our upcoming lectures. The next toolbar is Move Toolbar. We will also learn about this toolbar in our upcoming lectures. There are several other toolbars within the assembly, but most important toolbar is Constraint Toolbar that we will use most of the time during assembly. It contains several subtools like Coincident Constraint, Contact Constraint, Offset Constraint, Angle Constraint, Fixed Component, and many more. We will learn about these tools in detail in our upcoming lectures. So this was the basic intro of different tools of assembly in Catia.